And side two of Sound of the 60s. Band one, Lulu, with The Boat That I Row.
Don't have a lot, but with me that's fine. Whatever I got, well, I know it's mine. I don't go around with a local crowd. I don't dig what's in, so I guess I'm out. I'm saying this thing so you know me, baby, so you understand what I'm all about. The boat that I row won't cross no ocean. The boat that I row won't get me there soon. But I got the love if you got the notion. The boat that I row, take it up to me and you. There ain't a man alive can tell me what to say. I choose my own side and I like it that way. I don't worry about all the things I'm not. There's only one thing I want I ain't got. You know that I'm thinking about you, baby, but you better know before you come along. The boat that I row won't cross no ocean. The boat that I row won't get me there soon. But I got the love if you got the notion. The boat that I row, pick it up to me and you. I'm saying these things so you know me, baby, so you understand what I'm all about. The boat that I row won't cross no ocean. The boat that I row won't get me there soon. But I got the love if you got the notion. The boat that I row, take it up to me and you. The boat that I row won't cross no ocean. The boat that I row won't get me there soon. But I got the love if you got the notion. The boat that I row, take it up to me and you. The boat that I row won't cross no ocean.
A UK top 10 hit for Lulu that was written in 1967 by Neil Diamond, but in the States was relegated to the B-side of her movie song To Sir With Love, which went to number one there. Remaining requests this week will be for records by the Everly Brothers, Sheila Carter on Episode 6, then 3 in a row by Donovan, the Small Faces and the Kinks, and finally the Hollies. But next, having started with a song written by Neil Diamond, let's hear one now he recorded himself. This was his fifth consecutive top 20 hit as a performer, taken from his second album, Just For You, consisting of A and B sides from his singles, Thank the Lord for the Night Time.
Daytime turns me off and I don't mean maybe. 9 to 5 ain't taking me where I'm bound. When it's done I run out to see my baby. We get grooving when the sun goes down. Thank the Lord for the night time, to forget the day, a day of uptight time. Baby, chase it away. I get a relaxation, and it's time to groove. I thank the Lord for the night time. I thank the Lord for you. I'll talk about plans now, baby. I got plenty, but nothing ever seems to turn out the way it should. Talk about money, girl, I ain't got it. uptight town. Baby, chase it away. I get a relaxation. And it's a time to groove. I thank the Lord for the night time. I thank the Lord for you. Say yeah. Now and seems like just one time I'm feeling good. Thank the Lord for the night time. To forget the day. Day of uptight time. Baby, chase it away. I get a relaxation. It's a time to groove. I thank the Lord for the night time. I thank the Lord for you. Now.
Neil Diamond. And good morning to you now, Tim Hanna, living in Swansea. Now, you tell me you saw your first live band at a youth club in Stratfield Say in Hampshire. A skiffle group, I presume, since you mentioned their tea-chest, bass, washboard and guitar. You also tell me of an Everly Brothers disc that will remind you of hops in the aforementioned youth club from about 62 to 63, when their popularity had begun to wane in the States, so they were still going strong in the UK, discs selling in thousands here, and tours always sold out. So here's that top 20 hit for Don and Phil. It's been nice. Good night.
I took you out to dinner, then I took you to a show. I had a pocket full of money and I spent all my dough. Now I see that look in your eye. You're about to say bye-bye. I don't wanna hear you say it's been nice, but good night. I gotta get up very early in the morning. Although it's our first date, you know I really had a ball. You're just my kind of chick, you're not too short or too tall. How can you treat me that way when you know I want to stay? I don't wanna hear you say it's been nice, but good night. I gotta get up very early in the morning. Don't try to shake my hand, don't try to brush me off. If I bend over to steal a kiss, don't make out like you got it home. I don't wanna call you next Thursday night, and I don't wanna join the line that forms on the right. I'm so ready and wild, yeah, kissing time's right now. I don't wanna hear you say it's been nice, but good night. I gotta get up very early in the morning. Don't try to shake my hand, don't try to brush me off. If I bend over to steal a kiss, don't make out like you got it wrong. I don't wanna call you next Thursday night, and I don't wanna join the line that forms on the right. I'm so ready and wild, yeah, kissing time's right now. I don't wanna hear you say it's been nice, but good night. I gotta get up very early in the morning.
The Everly Brothers in 1963. And next, our own marvellous Ralph McTell with a great song of his that he first recorded to his own guitar in 1967, though he was to re-record it with a string section added in 1974. And I shall always remember him singing it live one magic night at Queen's University during round midnight at the Belfast Festival. With one accord, the student audience mounted tables and benches and spontaneously joined Ralph in singing Streets of London.
Have you seen the old man in the closed-down market, kicking up the paper with his worn-out shoes? In his eyes you see no pride, and held loosely at his side
Yesterday's paper telling yesterday's news. So how can you tell me you're lonely and say for you that the sun don't shine? Let me take you by the hand and lead you through the streets of London, show you something to make you change your mind. Have you seen the old girl who walks the streets of London? Dirt in her hair and her clothes in rags. She's no time for talking, she just keeps right on walking, carrying her home in 2 carrier bags. So how can you tell me you're lonely and say for you that the sun don't shine? Let me take you by the hand and lead you through the streets of London, show you something to make you change your mind. In the all-night cafe at 11:15, same old man sitting there on his own, looking at the world over the rim of his teacup. Each tea lasts an hour and he wanders home alone. So how can you tell me you're lonely? Don't say for you that the sun don't shine. Let me take you by the hand and lead you through the streets of London, show you something to make you change your mind. Have you seen the old man outside the Seaman's Mission? Memory fading with the metal ribbons that he wears. In our winter city, the rain cries a little pity for one more forgotten hero and a world that doesn't care. So how can you tell me you're lonely and say for you that the sun don't shine? Let me take you by the hand and lead you through the streets of London, show you something to make you change your mind.
Ralph McTell's first recording of Streets of London. The later 70s version would prove a UK number 2 in 1974. And so to this week's Junior Choice selection, which is a song written for the movie Mary Poppins by the Sherman Brothers, with a title they came upon at a summer camp in the Adirondack Mountains, where the kids delighted in knowing a word that their parents didn't. Little brats. Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. This was sung in the film by Julie Andrews and Dick Van Dyke.
It's supercalifragilisticexpialidocious, even though the sound of it is something quite atrocious. If you say it loud enough, you'll always sound precocious.
Because I was afraid to speak when I was just a lad. My father gave me nails that week and told me I was bad. But then one day I learned a word to say me aching nose.
The biggest word you've ever heard, and this is how it goes. Oh, supercalifragilisticexpialidocious, even though the sound of it is something quite atrocious. If you say it loud enough, you'll always sound precocious. Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. Underline, 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 underline. We traveled all around the world and every
everywhere he went. He'd use his word and all would say, there goes a clever gent.
When Dukes and Martha Rogers pass a time of day with me, I say me special word and then they ask me out to tea.
Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. Even though the sound of it is something quite atrocious, if you say it loud enough, you'll always sound precocious. Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious.
You can say it backwards, which is docious aliexpiasticfragicalibufus, but that's going a bit too far, don't you think?
Indubitably.
So when the cat has got your tongue, there's no need for dismay. Just summon up this word and then you've got a lot to say. But better use it carefully or it could change your life.
For example,
Yes?
one night I said it to me girl, and now me girl's me wife. Oh, and a lovely thing she is too. She's
Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. 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 Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious.
Julie Andrews and Dick Van Dyke in 1963. An outrageous pun on that title was coined by a journalist in 2000. A major soccer match in Scotland pitted underdogs Inverness Caledonian Thistle against one of their top teams in the country, Celtic. And after Thistle had thrashed the favourites by 3-1, a magnificent headline read, "Super Caddy go ballistic, Celtic are atrocious." Nice one, Phil, thank you for that. And it somehow seems suitable to follow that one with the disc that took Desmond Dekker and the Aces into the top 10 in 1969, after their number one, The Israelites. This one had as its title the Jamaican phrase for "that's why" or "that's the reason." Itmek.
I never see you when you jump over the wall. You think I never see you when you accidentally fall. Me say I make your puppy your bitter go. Why you accidentally fall? Is you crying out for ice water? Running belly, me say, make your pop your bitter go. Why you accidentally fall? Is she crying out for ice water? And I told you twice, was sweet nanny go to go running belly. Me say I make your puppy your bitter go. Why you accidentally fall? Is she crying out for ice water?
A 1969 UK top 10 hit for Desmond Dekker, who died from a heart attack in May 2005 at the age of 64. He was one of the first Jamaican vocalists to make a significant impact outside the land of his birth. Now, remember the Ace CD we sampled on side 1 of songs by Jackie DeShannon? Well, as promised, here's another track from that now. And this is one she co-wrote with Jack Nietzsche, and it was recorded by the American West Coast group The Concords. Jackie also recorded this song herself, and that was scheduled for single release, but her label had second thoughts and confined her to a track on her album, breaking up on the Beatles tour. So here's that 1964 Concords release of Should I Cry?
Should I cry?
performance of the Jackie DeShannon song, leading us now to your request, David Hughes, formerly of EMI, I believe, asking whether we've ever played Charles Aznavour's song I Will Warm Your Heart, as recorded in 1966 by Sheila Carter, with the hitless but very good group Episode 6. I don't think we have, David, but as you tell me the lady's also godmother to your daughter Kate, and her birthday's tomorrow, did you mean Katie's or Sheila's? Either way, it seems reason enough to play the disc now.
The autumn weaves a woolen blanket for the sun. The birds are gone, the trees are turning red. But do not fear the autumn air, my dearest one. For I will warm your heart, yes, I will warm your heart. So let us go to watch the river running still. We'll spin our dreams as leaves go drifting by. And if you begin to tremble in the chill, then I will warm your heart, yes, I will warm your heart. I will feel the warmth of your arm round my shoulder. And if the breeze by chance should then become bold, or I say that I am cold, you'll hold me close to you. We'll hurry home and I will fasten every blind. You'll build a fire against the coming storm. We'll watch the flames, and as you hold me oh so near, I'm sure that you'll be warm, I'm sure that you'll be warm. The autumn weaves a woolen blanket for the sun. The birds are gone until the spring returns. But do not fear the winter's cold, my dearest one. For I will warm your hands, and you will warm my
I Will Warm Your Heart is recorded by organist and singer Sheila Carter and released by Pye Records in '66. And here's another record first released in the UK in that same year by The Temptations, though on that occasion it made little impact. However, when re-released in 1969, it climbed to number 10. Interestingly enough, most of the group had been against ever releasing this as a single, but after its success, it became, and still is, the opening number for their stage shows. Get ready.
I never met a girl who makes me feel the way that you do. You're alright. Whenever I'm asked who makes my dreams real, I say that you do. You're out of sight. So look out, baby, 'cause here I
Twice released and once a hit by the Temptations, Get Ready. And now for our 3 in a row feature, with records suggested on this occasion by Paul Gibbons of Durham. He'd like these played for his wife Liz, his mother Margaret, for Callum and all relatives, and for all guys and girls in the forces, wherever they may be. In order of play, the records will be The Little Tin Soldier by Donovan, Tin Soldier by the Small Faces from 67, and finally another one from that year, Tin Soldier Man by the Kinks.
Once in a town in the Black Forest, a little white toy shop stood, and a little tin soldier with only one leg lived in a castle of wood. And across the room, on another shelf, stood a little glass case, and a tiny ballerina lived in there, all in a dress of lace. And from where the little tin soldier stood, they could see each other so clear. And the little tin soldier watched over her with a love that was so dear. Then one day sadness came, the tiny ballerina was sold. The little tin soldier was thrown away, and into the gutter he rolled. The water carried him to the sea and many far-off lands. He made many children happy as he passed through their tiny hands. And then one day they met again in a house in the land of Ire. And when the clocks on the walls struck the midnight hour, they jumped into a fire. And in that fire they shall stay forever and a day. For the fire, Lord, is the fire of love, just like the peaceful dove.
Soldier that wants to jump into your fire. You are a look in your eye, a dream passing by in the sky. I don't understand, and all I need is treat me like a man, 'cause I ain't no child, take me like I am. I got to know that I belong to you. Do anything that you want me to. I sing any song that you want me to sing to you. Wow. your whispered hello, smiles melting the snow, nothing hurt. Your eyes, they're deeper than time, say a love that won't rhyme without words. So now I've lost my way, I need help to show me things to say, to give me your love before my fades away. Just a quiet city sport where the wife and little kids do support. So immaculately dressed when he walks like a soldier on parade. He's a tin soldier man living in a little tin wonderland. Very happy little tin soldier man when you sit him on your knee. Just to put a little shine on his shoes and keep his uniform tight. He's a tin soldier
In 1965, the first of the Motown Revue package tours hit the UK. The finest of Motown's artists made their maiden voyage to our shores with a legendary all-star revue show.
At last, we were going to see them in person, in concert, in Britain.
England didn't have any act like a Motown. This was real soul movement.
Another chance to hear the Motown Invasion Tuesday night from 10:30, followed by part 2 of the story of Marvin Gaye on BBC Radio 2.
You would never call me dear. Don't you know know I'd die for you. Now you've gone, that's what I'll do. Lover, please, please come back. Don't take a drink coming down the track. Don't, please, don't leave me. Don't leave me in misery.
Originally an American solo hit for ex-Drifter singer Clyde McPhatter, and that was a cover of Billy Swan's Lover Please, and a top 20 hit in the UK for the Vernon's Girls. When its chart descent began, Decca re-promoted it as a double A-side with the Scouse-accented You Know What I Mean, which kept it in the bestsellers for a further 7 weeks. And our talented musician, multi-instrumentalist, singer and producer Phil Cordell, who on leaving school joined Enfield group Steve Douglas and the Challengers, who later became the Prophets, and recorded without success under the supervision of Joe Meek, and then changed name again to Tuesday's Children, who released a number of singles on Columbia. In 1967, Phil left the group to go solo, and in 1969 signed to Warner Brothers, for whom this was his debut single, Red Lady.
But I'm knowing that you don't really care. I can't think what's making this feeling be. Sure ain't the tea that's inside of me. And now you've started singing, Red Lady, you're just fine. Your hand-painted garden has every colour there. Red Lady, you've forgotten to paint your chilly hair. Just finding your pretty face, not a care down in your summer place. And now you started singing, Red Lady, you're just fine. There's nothing to be said, it's only me you see. Something I can't be, I can't think what's making this feeling be. Sure ain't the tea that's inside of me. And now you started singing, Red Lady, you're just fine.
Phil Cordell, who sadly passed away in 2007 at the age of 59. And so to a hit by an American named Frank Gehry, who eventually found a lucrative niche for himself as writer of TV and radio commercials, which he continues to turn out to this day. But back in the early 60s, he scored 3 American top 40 hits of his own. In 1963, with the help of Roger McGuinn on guitar and Bobby Darin on drums, he wrote and recorded Beach Ball under the name of the City Surfers. But here's the first of Frank Gehry's hits from 1960, Utopia.
Never thought there really was utopia. The land where every dream you dream comes true. But last night when we shared a kiss, I'm very sure of this, that magic land came in view, and I saw golden skies and birds of paradise. What a fool I'd be to let you go.
especially when I know that everybody searches for utopia. But still it's found by just a lucky few. Darling, oh how I hope and pray we'll stay in love this way, 'cause I found utopia when I found you. And I saw golden skies and birds of paradise. What a fool I'd be to let you go, especially when I know that everybody searches for utopia. But still it's found by just a lucky few. Darling, oh how I hope and pray we'll stay in love this way, 'cause I found utopia when I found you. When I found you.
That was Frank Gary. And so to our last request today, which came from Amanda Potts of Macclesfield, asking us to play a Hollies record for her wonderful sister Denise Hughes and her husband Jonty, who were both regular listeners at their home in Timperley and also went on holiday in Spain. I gather that you two have been many times to see the Hollies in concert, and here for you now is their 1965 number one, I'm Alive.
Set me free. Now I can breathe, I can see, I can touch, I can feel, I can taste all the sugar sweetness in your kiss. You gave me all the things I've ever missed. I never felt like this. I'm alive, I'm alive, I'm alive. I used to think that I was living, maybe I was wrong. No, I never knew a thing about living until you came along. Now I can breathe, I can see, I can touch, I can feel, I can taste all the sugar sweetness in your kiss. You gave me all the things I've ever missed. I never felt like this. I'm alive, I'm alive, I'm Now I can breathe, I can see, I can touch, I can feel, I can taste all the sugar sweetness in your kiss. You gave me all the love I ever missed. I never felt like this. I'm alive, I'm alive, I'm
A mid-60s chart topper for the Hollies, and we'll follow that with the first 60s hit by the Four Preps. They made their debut in 1956 at a Hollywood talent contest where they were the only male performers, and they were spotted and signed by Capitol executive Voyle Gilmore as the youngest vocal group to be contracted to a major company. Their debut single, Dreamy Eyes, was a small hit in the US, but the follow-up, 226 Miles, got to number 2 and the next release, Big Man, became an international hit. After several further singles, the Four Preps came to their first hit of the 60s in 1960, bringing us to our final disc this week, which, as it happens, was also the final record made by a London group which had begun as the Beat Society, then changed to Felder's Orioles and signed to Pie Piccadilly, for whom they released 4 singles, this last one being a cover of an Edwin Starr American release, Backstreet. Felder's Orioles of 1966, bringing us to the end of another edition of Sounds of the 60s, compiled and produced by Phil the Collector Swern. And this is your own mate Brian Matthews saying that's a lot for this week. See you next week. Lisa Tarbuck follows the news here on Radio 2, online, on digital, and on 88 to 91 FM.